untouched. Hello, welcome to the allotment. Something is different. I can't quite put my finger on it. Ah! Snow! It's all covered in snow. It is indeed. And doesn't it look beautiful? Doesn't it look good? Beautiful and white. Untouched. Those footprints are mine, and those were freshly stepped. I'm the first one here. Wow. Okay, so not a lot to do today. We could go and have a look at that curly kale. Let's go through the snow. Here we go, John. Well, curly kale is pretty tough and doesn't mind a little snow. In fact, it's created a little melted area around it. Look at this little delicate bridge of snow. And there's one more. So I'm going to pick this and take it home. There'll be no clearing up today. I think I'm just going to pick the whole thing. In fact, maybe I should just pull it up so the root is not stuck in there. Let's just pull the whole thing up. Oh, of course it's frozen in there. Okay, there you go. And then we'll cut it there. Okay, that's one. I think we'll do the same. Pull it out of the frozen ground. Look at that, the ground is frozen. Can we pull it out? Tough plants, aren't they, these brassicas? Bit of snow, bit of ice, -4. Is that the best you got, pal? -4 degrees. That's barmy. And so are you. I can go down much lower than that. Let's see who freezes first, pal. Alright. Come on, turn it down if you dare. I'm Kale. You know, I'm not messing about. I'm Kale. King Kale. Okay, and King Kale is going into this plastic bag. Don't you put me in that plastic bag, you bastard! It's quite nice out here. It's cold, it's blue, it's white, it's just pure, you know, snow. When the snow blankets things like that, it just kind of makes everything look so smooth and white and pure and serene, don't you think? Underneath is the dirt, but on top is this beautiful white, silky, velvety blanket of snow. It's great here. Down on the street, it's dangerous. It snowed on Monday, and then the temperatures dropped. We had a record -4 degrees at night here in Tokyo, and that meant that nothing melted. High during the day was like 5 degrees. Nothing melted. Everything just got compacted and frozen solid. On Wednesday, Tokyo had its busiest ambulance call-out day for 80 years, including a friend of mine who fell off his bike. Chris, be careful. Let's go and explore this winter wonderland, shall we? After I've had a bit more coffee. What do you call those helicopters with 2 rotors? It's some Sikorsky? Is that what it is? And it looks like the 2 rotors are going in opposite directions. So one's going clockwise, the other's going anti-clockwise. Is that true? Answers on a postcard. Or I'll just Google it, shall I? Right. I'm going to have a bit more coffee, and then I'm going home because it's cold. So from this beautiful white allotment here in the middle of Tokyo on January the 27th, this is John saying thank you very much and goodbye.